Just to talk a little bit about the past on how we did these full arch cases, it was labor intensive, not only for myself, but for the general dentist, for the patient, to where converting dentures, we had to work with labs. Now we can streamline this to make it a lot easier for everybody involved. And so, especially for the general dentist, where the general dentist could refer the patient over, and we basically take the whole case under our wings and do the work for you. And so what that entails is doing the consultation, all the workup, working with the lab, doing the surgery, making sure the teeth fit on the implants, and literally the general dentist only has to come involved now at the very end of the case, which would be doing a wax try-in. It takes about 30 minutes in your office, and then about 30 minutes to insert the final set of teeth, check the occlusion, make sure everything looks good. Now, the benefits of doing it this way is one is that my staff is not only prepared but trained to close big cases like this. And so in order to get the patient through the door, it enables me to be successful and you to be successful in making sure that these cases go terrific. And so not only from a financial aspect, but from also a clinical aspect, we want to make things really, really easy. And so by doing that, we can then not only prepare the patient financially on what they're involved with, which includes the general dentist compensation, but also clinically making sure that everybody meets expectations for the patient. So with doing that and streamlining it very, very simple, we try to take all the hard work out of it and make not only things successful that way, but make it really easy. Because we've been so successful utilizing this type of technology, digital dentistry for fully guided full arch cases, that we've seen a lot of growth in our practice. Not only that, but we've seen a lot of patients very happy and have successful restorations and smiles, which is great. Another thing too is that we're seeing a lot of growth in our practices that we're working with. And so we want to not only further enhance that, we want to make sure that people are comfortable with using this type of technology and knowing exactly what to expect when they refer patients to our office. So my commitment to this is providing some future dates on some ways that we can grow together. So what's that going to entail? It's going to entail learning about the technology, learning about the benefits of why we use the technology that we do, the benefits of what the patient are getting, and to help you grow your bottom line.